All right, let me check this email. Is that a Slack? Nah, it might have been my Teams. Let's see. Oh, guess I gotta sign these papers. My phone's ringing, stop! Let's put this all in one place. Now that you are stationing digitally, and all job site documentation is location-based, you can streamline and organize all project communication in one software quickly. Now that's unheard of, but this just in. There are digital stationing platforms that give you the capability to connect your entire project team. Instead of having your communication and management system delegate how you engage, use digital stationing to drive your conversation to one place. Being able to accurately describe what is going on quickly to everyone on the project is powerful. But what holds more power is when everyone knows where it's happening.